Hey guys, welcome back to Code with AI. Okay, today in this video we are going to learn Google's speech to text models, which is free for everyone to use. You have to download speech recognition Python library to this. This is a free way to convert a audio file into text. Okay, so let's create a Python file for this. You have to download speech recognition Python library. I think it's 50 to 40 MB of library you have to download. Let's create a file named speech to text underscore google.py. This is not a OpenAI API tutorial. This is outside the OpenAI API tutorial. Okay, so I saved it in outside the OpenAI API tutorial. Okay, let's write a comment here for our video. Okay, in this video we are going to do speech to text using Python speech recognition library with Google. Okay, that's okay. Now it's time to write the requirements for this project. Okay, so I'm going to write a comment here for the requirements. And requirement is the Python language. You can download Python language from Python website, or in Windows terminal or command line interface you can write winget install Python to install Python in Windows. For Linux and you can download Python by writing commands like apt or pkg install Python. To download speech recognition Python library, you simply have to download Python. After that, you have to download it by using pip. Okay, you can write pip install speech recognition. Okay, you have to note here that S is capital and R is capital. So please learn this how to install speech recognition from the Python libraries. Okay, next we have to import that library, so I can import speech recognition, import speech recognition, speech underscore recognition as SR. Okay, you can give whatever you want the name as SR, STR, or whatever you want. After importing the speech recognition library, you have to mention your audio file path. You can paste your audio file path here, like my audio file is sample audio dot okay mp3. Next I'm going to copy that sample audio dot mp3 file path. Okay, right click here and copy path. Okay, paste this sample audio dot file path here, but you have to here double backslash. Okay, because it will show the syntax error if you don't do this. In here, and that's okay. Okay, I'm writing a comment here that audio file path. Okay, now it's time to write the main code for speech to text by Google. Speech recognition library has many ways for speech to text like Google Whisper model, Whisper open source model, and many more. But in this video, I am going to use only Google, not Google Cloud, only Google. Okay. Google Cloud is also available in speech recognition for uh, speech recognition, speech to text. Okay, now R equal to sr dot recognizer and brackets. Next we have to write with sr dot audio file, and audio file is audio file, as source. Okay, our source is audio file. Next we have to write audio equals to r dot uh, record, r dot record, in brackets we have to write source. This video not going too long, okay, this is a simple video. Next we have to write try transcript equals to r dot uh, recognize. Okay, I'm finding Google, but here is Google Cloud, so I'm not using Google. We have to write r dot recognize Google, in bracket we have to write audio. Next we have to print that transcript. Okay, print transcript, this is simple code. Okay, next we have to handle the error. Okay, let me handle this error. For handling the error we can write except. Okay, I think I have to write written here, not print. Okay, I will do that later. Except sr dot unknown value error transcript equals to okay, now I'm going to written transcript here, not print transcript, because this will help me later. Or not going to write any written, simply write transcript equal to r dot recognize Google audio. Next I'm going to give this that transcript equals to, for unknown value error, in double quote you have to write audio error, simply audio error. Okay, next we have to give uh, other errors like except sr dot request error as e transcript equal to, in double quote, request error. This will handle the errors from this library. Okay, finally we have to print that transcript, print transcript. Okay guys, now it's time to run that Python file for testing this. This is a 24 lines of code, not too long code. Okay, you can copy this code. I will provide the link in description. Let me check this code again, that anything here is not wrong. Okay, I think this code is correct. Okay, let's listen that audio file. Okay.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Code with AI. In today's video, we are diving into the fascinating world of text-to-speech and speech-to-text using OpenAI's API. We will show you how to convert written text into natural-sounding speech and transcribe spoken words back into text effortlessly. Stay tuned for an exciting demo and practical tips on integrating these powerful tools into your projects with Python language.
Okay, you have just listened that sample audio.mp3 file. Now it's time to run that code. Okay, waiting for the response from speech recognition library. It's taking time. Okay, it's showing us a error of the audio format. Okay, it's saying that not mp3 format is not uh, good for that library, so I have to download an audio sample audio.wave. Okay, this is my new file audio.wave. You can listen it.
The stale smell of old beer lingers. It takes heat to bring out the odor. A cold dip restores health and zest. A salt pickle tastes fine with ham. Tacos al pastor are my favorite. A zestful food is the hot cross bun.
Okay, you have just listened that file. Now time to run that code again for new audio file uh, format. My new audio file format is WAV. Okay, this is the response from speech recognition library. The response is the still smell of old building takes heat to brings out the order accord. This is correct. The speech recognition is correct. So guys, you have just learned how to convert a audio file into text with Google and without any cost. Okay, this is free method to convert a speech to text. Okay, now this code is completed. You can copy this code from my GitHub repository. I will provide the link in description. I am adding that sample audio.wave and stdgoogle.py file in my GitHub repository. I committed this. Now I will push this file into my repository. So you are able to copy this code in your computers. Okay. So guys, if you like this video and enjoy this video, please subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this video.